Vegetables with Italian balsamic. You probably cook oven-roasted vegetables all the time. What if I told you that adding one simple item can improve the taste of your roasted vegetables? If it sounds intriguing, keep watching to get the full recipe. Ingredients: 2 medium carrots, 2 medium courgettes, 2 medium tomatoes, 3 medium potatoes, 1 medium onion, high-quality olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, rosemary, dry or fresh, high-quality balsamic vinegar. Start by washing your vegetables thoroughly. Next, start peeling the vegetables you want to cook without skin, and next cut all of the veggies into big chunks. Take a baking dish, layer a piece of parchment paper, or a silicone mat. Drizzle some olive oil at the bottom, just on top of the parchment paper. Start layering your vegetables in the baking dish. Next, season with salt and pepper, and add a generous amount of rosemary. Finish off with a drizzle of olive oil on top of the vegetables. Place the dish in the oven and let it roast for 1 hour. In the meantime, prepare a simple but delicious vinaigrette with 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Add a crack of black pepper and mix well with a teaspoon. Set aside until the vegetables are cooked. Once your timer goes off, take out the vegetables, let them cool for 5 minutes and drizzle the vinaigrette you made. This is a simple recipe that is great to serve with meats, fish, but also omelets and pies. It can be a vegetarian or vegan main dish. Add grilled tofu and a salad. You can also use these roasted vegetables as the base for butter or nourish bowls. Buon appetito!